What's up guys, and welcome to this video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw from a permanently limited PayPal account to a Payoneer bank account. Okay, so if you're having some US dollars stuck in your permanently limited PayPal account and it's over 180 days, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a US bank account and withdraw that money to your US bank account. First thing, I want you to head over to your Payoneer account. Okay, so we're going to be using Payoneer to withdraw our money. So head over to Payoneer account. If you don't have a Payoneer account, I want you to sign up with them and verify. So once you are done with that, Payoneer will provide you with a US bank account and also going to provide you with pounds bank account. Okay, what we want here is a US bank account. So once that is done, I want you to hover to here. We're going to select receiving accounts. Okay, so we're going to go to view details. We're going to select solution guide. Okay, because the default account given to us by Payoneer won't be able to work with PayPal. Okay, so we have to change the account. So we select solution guide, we select the first one, and as you can see, I am unable to use my receiving account with PayPal and Stripe. Okay, so this is what we're going to select. We're going to hit next. So as you can see, Payoneer is asking us to close our account and replace it with a new one. So this new one they're going to give us is going to work perfectly with PayPal, which I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So in your own case, you're going to select close and replace. I already done that, so I'm not going to do that here. Okay, so I will just select not now, but go ahead and close and replace so Payoneer can give you a new account. Okay, so once you have your new account, I want you to head over to home, head over to receiving account. Okay, we're going to click on view details. Okay, so we're going to have this, so we'll head over to our PayPal account. Well, this is my PayPal account, so we are going to add this US bank account to my PayPal account. So we hover to this three dots, we select it, we go to money page. We're going to select link in new bank. So as you can see, PayPal is asking for a routing number and an account number. Okay, so let's just go to Payoneer. Let's copy the routing number. Okay, then let's head over to account number. Let's copy that. So as you can see, the name of the bank automatically pops up. Okay, so that means we are right. So the account is also a checking account. So let's just confirm that. Okay, account type is checking. Okay, so let's click on link bank. Okay, it's asking me for a security verification. Okay, let's go ahead and verify. If you're still having issues withdrawing from your permanently limited PayPal account or from your normal PayPal account, okay, head over to konvati.com/withdraw. I'm going to help you withdraw your PayPal balance and credit you in your local bank account or credit you in whatever payment gateway you want to receive. Okay, let's try again. So guys, as you can see, we have successfully linked our US bank account to our PayPal account. So guys, if you find this video helpful, I want you guys to subscribe to the channel. That way you can support me. Okay, so another thing I can help you do, if you're still finding issues withdrawing your PayPal balance, okay, even from a normal account or a permanently limited account, okay, so I can help you withdraw your balance. Okay, so just head over to konvati.com/withdraw. Okay, you are going to be redirected to my WhatsApp. Okay, so just let me know that you want to withdraw your PayPal balance, and I'm going to help you withdraw your PayPal balance, and I'm going to credit you in your bank account or in any payment method you want to receive. Okay, So guys, as you can see, it worked perfectly for me. This is a very new and this is a new method of linking your Payoneer bank account to your US bank account. As you can see, this is my first time trying it and it worked perfectly for this particular PayPal account. It worked perfectly fine. Okay, so and also guys, sometimes it's going to bring a pop-up. PayPal will want you to contact support before you can link your bank. Okay, sometimes it will show there's an issue with this account, contact support. Okay, so as you can see, it's linked already. If that error should come up, okay, so I want you to go to message center. Let's open this in a new tab. So in case it's still giving error, right, just head over to message center, select this new message. Okay, head over to accounts. Yes, let's head over to bank account, add and confirm. Okay, we're just going to click on continue. Customer service, are you trying to confirm bank account? Let's select yes. Good, so this is what we want. Okay, so we're just going to type them a message with hello. Okay, can you help me link my account, my US bank account? Okay, so in case your own is giving issue, so this is what you're going to do. Hello, can you help me link my US bank account? And we're going to send them an email. Okay, we're getting this message that the message sent successfully, we are working. Okay, so once you send them a message, you just wait for some time. Okay, so they'll get back to you. They are going to help you and they're going to direct you on how you can link your US bank account. Okay, so let's not forget. So the first thing I want us to do, I want us to head over to our Payoneer account. I want you to go to, let's start again, head over to our Payoneer account, go to details, go to solution guide, select the first option, select next. We're going to close and replace. Once we get to our new account from Payoneer, we head over to PayPal and link the bank account. So I just did mine in this video. I linked it to this account. As you can see, it's automatically linked Community Federal Savings Bank, okay, which is the same as this. So now I can withdraw from PayPal to Payoneer with no issues. Then I can withdraw from Payoneer to my local bank account, link my bank accounts. So once that's done, PayPal will help you link your US bank account and help you withdraw from the bank account. Okay, so let's head back to home. As you can see, I've successfully linked this bank account to a permanently limited PayPal account. Okay, as you can see, this account is permanently limited by PayPal, and if you can check the account, right, let's just check the account. So let's just check the last 90 days. Okay, no transaction. So as you can see, if you can check the account, I was able to withdraw. Okay, so as you can check the account, I was able to withdraw from a permanently limited PayPal account. Okay, I can also show you another account that it was also successful. Okay, so in this case, I withdrew to a card. Okay, so if the card option is not working for you, you can also withdraw to a bank account without having any issues. Okay, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're still having issues withdrawing from your permanently limited PayPal account or from your normal PayPal account, head over to konvati.com/withdraw. I'm going to help you withdraw your PayPal balance and credit to you in your local bank account or credit to whatever payment gateway you want to receive. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be working on a hosting company. If you want to learn how to create a hosting company website, okay, that a user can visit, can come and check for a domain if it's available. So let's check for this domain. As you can see, this domain it's available. Okay, so if you want to learn how to create a website like this, just subscribe to the channel. I'll be uploading a video on how you can create. As you can see, this is konvati.com and it's not available. Okay, so how you can create a hosting company and how you can sell hosting. Okay, so if you're interested in this, just subscribe to the channel, let me know in the comment section if you want me to upload a video on how you can create a website like this. Okay.